Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best diesel heaters for van, that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the SCITOO aluminum air diesel heater. This diesel heater by SCITOO features engine protection. The use of parking heaters can prevent the engine from starting when it is cold. Therefore, it prolongs the engine's life, reduces fuel consumption and emissions. This diesel heater weighs 8.4 kg and has a size of 46*29.245.8 centimeters. Also, this strong diesel heater uses 12 volts of power. For improved comfort, it features an operating temperature of -40–35 for buses, trucks, trailers, and RVs. As a result, you will not have frozen hands when driving. Having improved low-frequency pulse and low vibration, it produces low noise. The fuel tank cap has threaded design. This allows the entrance of air only to prevent the smell of diesel from getting out. In order to save fuel, it has a main board that controls the pump's output and saves fuel. Furthermore, the aluminum construction, anti-aging, and uniform heat dissipation make it user-friendly. Whereas the air inlet has diesel combustion and mixing air, the air outlet features exhausting hot air for warming the vehicle. Moreover, the exhaust pipe base has the combustion chamber. This makes it handy and convenient to use. Moving on at number 4, we have the labwork-parts air diesel heater 12 volts 8 kW. This diesel heater is made from plastic and metal for strength. The black carbon fiber and red gives it a nice appearance. For simple installation, it features a compact design. With a size of 390 by 150 by 140 mm, 15 x 6 x 5.5, it is good for use in narrow spaces. Furthermore, it consumes 0.1 to 0.24 L of diesel, and with full combustion, it produces 8,000 W of power. Having a working temperature of between -40°C and 80°C, it does not damage your car because of sudden temperature drops. It has an auto room temperature control and a temperature preset facility. This diesel heater has silencers to reduce the noise levels. For maximum comfort, it has 2 working modes. These include the heater mode and the air condition mode. Moreover, the maintenance of this diesel heater is very simple. This is because it has a diagnostic and continuous monitoring system. Lastly, you can use this heater for vehicles, including buses, cars, trucks, RVs, and engineering vehicles. At number 3, we have the Superfastracing diesel heater 12 volts 5 kW. Coming 8th on this list is the Superfastracing diesel heater. To begin with, it uses 12 volts to produce 5 kW of heater power. For easy control, it has a knob switch. This tool can preheat the engine coolant to prevent tear and wear if the engine started at low temperatures. Most importantly, it can do away with the window frost. With an easy installation procedure, it eliminates complex operations. Moreover, its compact design is ideal for use in many narrow spaces. On top of that, you can use it in diesel buses, cars, trucks, RVs, and engineering vehicles. Besides, it has a working temperature of -40°C and incorporates the automatic technology control that is advanced. An advantage of this diesel heater is that it consumes less fuel and power but operates for long hours. The fuel used is supplied from the tank of the vehicle. Another advantage is that it has silencers to reduce noise. However, it requires professional installation. At number 2, we have the TAUFAOD air diesel heater muffler 12 volts 5 kW. This diesel heater from TAUFAOD has a heater power of 5 kilowatts. It requires power consumption of 12 volts and fuel consumption of 0.2 to 0.5. You can use this heater for freight vehicles, caravans, vans, camping trailers, and RVs. Uniquely, it features volatile technology for fast ignition and full combustion. Moreover, its compact structure makes installation easier. To meet environmental requirements, it features low emissions coupled with low fuel consumption. The advanced auto control technology allows for temperature setting. This makes it efficient enough to deal with abnormal conditions. Also, it has an electronic control unit for maintaining power and temperature. Other than electric power, it can alternatively use diesel. And finally at number 1, we have the Superfastracing diesel heater tank 12 volts 8 kW. This 8 kW diesel heater is ideal for the crane, construction machinery, trucks, RV, and transport vehicles. This tool easily heats the car in 5 to 15 minutes, considering car size. Additionally, it features lower fuel consumption for long-term heating. This heater is very tiny and easy to mount since it consumes little space. Also, it includes an instruction manual for simple installation. For added comfort, when using this diesel heater, it is less noisy with silencers. Subsequently, it has a working temperature of -40°C. This tool keeps your car warm and pleasant, even with the lowest setting. Nevertheless, different models have different power levels regardless of the type of vehicle. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.